Speedy Gang, what's this call and bitch?
Humana DC, Speedy Gang, Angakele SGB. Since fan to Gagele CJB, man of the match, MVP. Skimile mapara ma VIP, who stand on Pinis Caralo Magam dead. Constructive voice, till us stain, but over on the Talamanaga 2 feet.
Better 2 feet.
Runa RG, Mara every day, Channel Libichi, Raba bench press, Mara RTV, something girls, Manana body cheese, Manana body freaky, Mata Polina, Soto Lipinky, by Muna, Karikili sweet, Namasto, give her the talent. I'm a Simba chips, Yins, I'm a Simba chips, I'm a Simba chips, Yins, I'm a Simba chips, I'm a Simba chips, Yins, I'm a Simba chips, I'm a Simba chips, I'm a Simba chips.
Ngiyantshela labantwana labe bayi10 ngi1 ngabaslice bonke
Hayi baba namanga.
baba ngiyakutshela nonkaza bekada nekuthi lebe idayi so ayibonanga nix nxa uyasana busha i-hand to hand combat ngemissionary ungazungitshela kabi wena urini ufuna ngintshengise i-evidence baba angayifuni yami da nazo ish, it's on my other phone. Ngitshelile ukuthi lina manga. Bhekani manje. Hayi indaba ukuthi nina abafana bami niyama virgin active. Ngiyake understand. Awusete man uyekela ukusikhinya wena. The truth hurts baba. Ngiseta ngetrati. Ngoba vele specialist sakhona. Ngizungitshela amasimba wena. Awudlale man. Hip hop. Hip hop. Hip hop. Esa. Letha baba, letha. Seta bani.
Sethuthule clean.
Asiye baba. Seta ngamalini. Mina ngiseta nge5 Tiger. 5 Tiger. Yini? Usalitrathi. Vele uyayisaba. Kanti bofuna afane nawe. Hayi baba wangasuza kakhulu so. Ungayichuni lady nju. Asidlala ama dice. If we're second, I thought good news Shayana da. Edwana. Uskot begazum shangetrat. Ngazungitshela amasimba sana. Come in.
Ikusintwana yami.
Ula.
Jika ngayiso.
Ish. Khamba.
Ngicela ukushayisana noBhikinini enukudwebile nswembu blind. Bekafuna nje ukugala isithombe. Akubonisa uthando nefatela.
All right, Tisbo. Ay. Why is Naxiso? Ay lo muntu akusiyimi baba. Angathi boma speaker inyana so. Maybe you should give it to him. I guess some people can't handle the truth.
Boy.
Yini manje?
Ngina more than 30 iron ngisegamini. Dala ngibona amaseleb avuka phindawe. Wena une potential buyer blind boy. If you don't learn to treat others well, you will find yourself stuck in one place for a very long time.
Ngiyakutshela. Baba, you are being paid for protection, not advice. Suke emabhozini. Mtshele ntwana yami. We don't need that type of negativity here, Baba. Learn to mind your business when I'm a dad. Manje wena. Banbuz you? Yo. I was just saying. Shut up, man. Uyeke ukupapa son. Ncafe. Para pa pa pa. Bye, Khule. Tech. Excess Scott. Willa, you up next. All right, Faye. La. Yo. Oh no.
Speedy Gang, what's this call and bitch?
Stimulated mbo with the masipa I2 wakaya ngopeli babizi very but first you need to give me something. Sapora moreki khanti wale sa twig kilena pale about him khanti wale sa flex feeling so tasty all in pen meti not a la bombi ki ale chiki I do business nebo fat feeling so thirsty. I get a nice skin member winning. So no sapram ready.
Get Friday, today get Friday. Get Friday, today get Friday. Now Sunday get Saturday. They say get Sunday. They say good Monday. Mara today get Friday. Ah Friday, today get Friday. Friday, today get Friday. Now Sunday get Saturday. They say get Sunday. They say good Monday. Mara today get Friday. Ish, what's so calling is getting bang bang. What's so calling is getting bang bang. What's so calling is getting bang bang. House spin bang 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 bang. What's so calling is getting bang bang. What's so calling is getting bang bang. What's so calling is getting bang bang. House spin bang 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 bang.
Imtrai baba. Wula, fast ungene egaragini elandelayo. Isisu sami sishaya isibhelana. Ah, no stress ntwana yami. Plastic. Yeah, whatever. Yo! Eish, wena mbashimbashi. Bheka manje uyenzeni?
Asikisi mutlogolo. Gase ka go bona.
Awampona? Ke tsotswana ko wena. He?
Opela go nswarele.
Lenja le imusha iskipa sami yo. Kuyazini. Start. You are welcome. Oh, what the heck? Ole sware. Lesikasivela. Hayi baleka isandla. Yeah. Manje khamba. Scott. O tla tlogela go telela batho mošang.
Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
Thunakalani? Enhle ngiva.
You were involved in some kind of explosion, Donas, that put you under a coma for the past 2 days, yabon. Khona manje, you are at Mabliken Hospital, eTembisa.
So it wasn't a dream.
No. This one, it really happened. You are lucky to be alive.
Okay. Mara, now I feel fine. So can I go?
Yeah, ungavaya, Dona yam. I just need to get your final blood readings, nama-discharge form.
Fade.
Ipahla zakho ziyiso le. Usungayicofa la, ube ready for spin.
Mara, leskipa ngiphosa ngifake HIV ni yo. Ish. Ekse hot man. Wula, ngifasa ungipresele ispindi gang snake la phezulu. Angibhizi blind ntwana yami. Hadis. Not my problem. Yeah, Nantwan. Looking at these projections, we should be able to make yo. I DDT. Ish, I didn't request it. Ay, macho que sacalan. Ready, guys.
Ya na chuma di ding zere batsene meibla.
Alright.
Out dona enough for ga wena. Ingi the shit mawanyela. Mina mhinga mampela. Nikasi yanqaba kathela. Entering them abatsena. When you start kuzwanena. Hey cause you know my level. Passive aggressive wa beta. Hari win wena waheta so thoma dirumo wa sebadi la difaye shapo wa dijema mtetwa utibile ka o ninyela no shapa ka bomba neglecta cause when I fake wa pretender I'm skinny shapa gawe enough gawe no kono kumanite wena man tangolawe lokho nokumani lahlekini unganikhombisa ndlela lokho nokumani wena man tangolawe lokho nokumani lahlekini unganikhombisa ndlela enough gawe nishapo gawe enough gawe nishapo gawe lokho nokumani wena man tangolawe lokho nokumani lahlekini unganikhombisa ndlela
I choose number one.
yeah spicy sa
I choose number two.
wena nyanyisa
I choose number one.
twana spicy sa
I choose number two.
wena nyanyisa
Uyenza ma flow,
bora
flow.
uyabora
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 Yo. Yeah. Anishayile le number bafana bam. Good job.
Siyabonga Khotman.
Mara mshozi khwayile no ne.
Mfita ngathi ungaliphinda.
Bambanso. Vaya nothing snack nyana.
Siyabonga Shiny Boy. Asifayeni.
Artist Boy. Produced by Shiny Boy. It's too easy.
It's a Shiny Boy.
Wala.
Ivukile le ntwana.
Keep in peace ngiyazwakala la.
Hey, shut up wena man.
What the heck? Why do we have our number one artist tied up like this? Is this how we treat our guests? Eh?
Maka boss, I thought uthi.
Futek! Qhaqha lo muntu before nkwada man. You should be ashamed of yourself when a danger. Ekhafar,
Ula boss.
awushayele le ntwana yami isikhambelile la yethu sofa.
All right boss.
Sorry about that ntwana yami. But otherwise, zuzunjani?
Angren. I just want to go home and chill nama gang wami.
You can do that ntwana yami. After we fix this little problem.
Iproblem yani manje.
Problem ifenbase yakho ntwana yami. Xa nguthi wena ungumdidi. An asshole doesn't appreciate their support.
I mean angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani Shiny Boy.
Cover is.
This guy doesn't appreciate his fans. Just look at this. First we go interview out here. No time baba. Ngiyakufriza out here. Just 30 seconds kuphela. And then yes, lepa mina bengincane yo. I bought the music, I bought the merch, I bought the posters. Because I really wanted to see Ntwana Yasekasi do well. But after seeing his true nature, mina ngita si canceling Lepari. Ephela lenja le ayina ni Wikipedia mara siyapapa. Mele siyenze trend Lepari. #cancel Scott Mampara right now. Anyway, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. It's your boy. Tata Machan.
Hey Baba, this is your Instagram account before that video went up.
10,000 followers. Moses, oh no.
And this is 1 hour later we posted the video nyana yakho.
Le ntwana le izonya.
Lethi shoot nyana yakho le yamakaka. That's cost us. We need to fix this ASAP.
Ish. What did you have in mind?
Ngikushayela meet and greet nyana la Thembisa Mall. We'll be engaging with your fans and taking pictures all day.
All day. Shiny Boy,
Yona son, you're not even that famous, Marasoya Papa. Do you even know how much money I invested in you, Wena son? Yeah? And besides, you sign a contract, Wena son. You are going to do what I say you are going to do.
So manje, what about that money you said you'd give me the next time I see you?
Don't worry about the money, Ntwa. It's not that important. Wena shale shandis. mina ngizokusota.
Nca fe.
Danger, Gafar,
Ula boss.
anivaye naye da. Make sure ukuthi akayenza ama-careless.
Next. Ula Scott Mampara. Sure. I just wanted to let you know ukuthi I'm your #1 fan, Baba. I even have a tattoo of you on my arm. Qava. That's nice. Baba ushuthe kanti kuyenzakalani lapho?
Saklumphaphela wena son. Say cheese.
Manje ngibhekeni.
kanti awushebiwe wena
Why uncheba? Okay, ngiyawukolota.
hawa awunkoloti silo ni
So why uncheba? King kichira una.
hawa monna
So tlwela uncheba.
Intwana yena le enga. Yo.
Phela mina ntwana bengithi uvayile la. Enhlek. Kwakwenzakalani?
It's just ukuthi umunye umadalanyana so umthakathi. Ngishake lightning because he was jealous of Mswenko. Mara luckily mina ngiyi-last number ntwana. Chase uphunyuka bamphethe ntwana. Ipara lamapara ntwana. Paraplegic ntwana. Ishu Mr. Untouchable. Chisa ankale bhodlela la.
Nazo
Who else will still be standing after drinking this whole bottle? Hey,
ayikekho ba.
and don't forget that.
Emara balasitshela
Ntwana, asil stop.
Yes.
Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
What the heck? Manje yenzakalani?
You were involved in some kind of explosion, Donas, that put you under a coma for the past 2 days, yabon. Khona manje, you are at Mabliken Hospital, eTembisa.
Didn't we do this yesterday?
No, Donayam. Pela, you were under very heavy medication, so it might have messed up your sense of reality and time.
I failed.
Besides the deja vu, uzizwa njani?
Ngizizwa ngikrend. Just confused.
Baba, that's what usually happens when people come out of comas.
So ngavaya mus.
Yeah, ungavaya, Donayam. I just need to get your final blood readings nama-discharge forms. Ipahla zakho ziyiso le. Usungayicova la, ube ready for spin.
Ish. Exe hot man. Mfasa ungipresele ispindi gang snack la phezulu. Yeah, Nantwana. Looking at these projections, we should be able to make. Yo!
What the heck? Why do we have our #1 artist tied up like this? Is this how we treat our guests? Eh?
Maka boss, I don't.
Futek! Qhaqhala umuntu before ngikwada man. You should be ashamed of yourself wena Danger. Gafar,
Ula boss.
ushayele le ntwana yami isikhambeleli la yeke sofa.
Alright boss.
Sorry about that ntwana yami. But otherwise, zuzunjani?
Grand. Ish. Just experiencing some deja vu nyana.
Deja vu. Yini my leyo?
The feeling that I've lived this day before.
Ewana son. I hope awubhemi inyawo.
Not ngithatha kanjani. Do I look like a self-educator in mind? Hey?
I was just checking. Anyway, we have a little problem nyana that we have to fix.
Let me guess. You want me to go to the mall for a meet and greet with the fans?
Ew. How did you know that?
Like I said, Mfethu, I feel like I've lived this day before.
I feel it mfethu. So since ucafa wona ukuthi kuyenzakalani? Ayigubhe.
Phela mina ntwana bengithi uvayile la. Enhlek. Kwakwenzakalani?
Ngithi le bomb le kushaye kanjani? I think ngizokutshela kusasa ntwana. It's been a long day. Sayogila.
Manje kwenzakalani ngale
I'm sure Peter my periods.
Yes.
Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
This is not happening. This is not happening.
No. Ukhuluma manje.
Hey, Baba, I seem to be stuck reliving the same day over and over.
Kanti ngininde ngana?
It's not the medication, man.
Should it deja vu?
No, it's not deja vu. And I can prove it to you. In 5 seconds, le ntwana lezo sifaya ukuthi sincede nge-vending machine.
Wala good man. Bengicela ungijuzele isibindi snack da.
Hayi futhi ekwe, awuboni ukuthi sibhizi la.
Take nawe.
Ebese le nyophe silezo tshontsha le foni yakalo mawuledi.
Uyenzani manje wena mgodoyi?
Bengisadinga zami. And then one of your colleagues is gonna fall in 5, 4.
Yeah, Nantwan. Looking at these projections, we should be able to make
1. Yabona mfethu, this is not deja vu. This is not deja vu. Ulo yamthakathi. Mara nami why bengimshangalisa skipper sesibindi genge? Why Papa so? Why Papa so?
manje kuyenzakalani la?
We have another fake copy situation.
Hayi ithi ngimkene. Why Domso? Why Domso? Man. Yo!
Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
It's like what floor are we on?
That's a weird question from someone who just woke up from a coma. But again, we're on the 3rd floor. Come on.
I think I can make it.
Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
Ish, maybe I should try the 2nd floor. Ewana lithetha mawu. Udiyanga mawe. Yo! Hey, Dwan, did you hear that? Kamba, he got out the window. Yo!
Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
This time phuma ngomnyango. Baba. Akusus God lawyer. What the heck? Except boss, le ntwana le isikherile. Ish.
No, manje khambani ngawe ntwana?
Ish, Speva ntwana. I'm having the worst day of my life.
Zikhiphani?
I feel like I'm stuck in the same place, reliving the same day over and over, where nothing I do seems to matter. I know exactly what you mean, Dwana yam. Yo!
Sounds like you're going through some spiritual shandies.
Ish, Ntwana. Over and over and over again.
I think I know someone who can help.
In Manjele. Brazil's traditional healing services.
Yebo baba. The best sangoma insensing.
Santeni! Baba, you sure this is not a scam?
It's the real deal, Ntwana. Wonke lama celebrity ayamqhafa.
I eating him shyly dry.
Alright, Ntwana yami. Yizwa.
Ngiyakuzwa poison.
So manje, You think you can help?
Nah, it depends.
Depends on what?
It depends on whether you are willing to do whatever it takes ukuthi sikhiphe lesinyama.
Noma yini baba. Noma yini.
Alright, ntwana yami.
Hey,
I can help you.
all right, let's go.
The first thing I'm gonna need you to do is get a package there for me. Dako Rasta.
Which Rasta? Usho loyo kugqoka amakoprosh.
Yay, don't never let him hear you saying that.
Fair.
And then kuzofuneki AMG G-Wagon baba, all black. Hey, will getting there be a problem?
It won't be a problem.
Good. Phela you had me worried, Ntwana.
Ungawari. I got this. Konje what's Rasta's address?
I think ilandi phepha ngikubalele yona Ntwana. To spin.
So what do you think, Ntwana? I think this might be your best work yet. How is shy riding? Now is shy. Serious, Ntwana. Umkhiphe exactly uSkomode. Uya straight. Ungazunya wena. Awubona ukuthi lo muntu Chris Brown. And uya straight. Awushayile boss. Or kanjani subs?
Yes, fine.
Haha. Niyazi bafana bami.
Ule uthiyam. Ngifasa ukubona uRasta da.
All right, come in.
Ule ama-chance.
Blessai.
Pra-6 ngisidire ukuthi ngizolanda ipackage yakhe.
So vele, you're not gonna say anything.
Anything about what, manje?
Anything about what? Hey Baba, can you not see all this greatness surrounding you? Yeah?
What greatness?
Oh,
shona amakoprosh nyana wakho. Ayazama ntwana, mara there's still room for improvement.
Hey wena son. Uthini?
I'm just giving you honest feedback, Otiam. From one artist to another. It's nothing personal.
Oh.
So young guy ratings or
Beba.
Ule Otiam, ngifasa ukubona uRasta da.
All right, come in.
Yo. Who the hell painted all these paintings? However it is, they are a genius.
Shayo Rasta.
I know. Uyayishaya into yakho hot man.
Ngiyabonga Ntwana. So what do you think about this one? And can you guess who it is?
Chris Brown. How ndoda? It's obviously Chris Brown. Kanti umthatha kanjani nje?
Finally, someone who appreciates real art. Singakusiza ngani Ntwana yami?
Pra-6 ngisidire ukuthi ngizolanda ipackage yakhe.
Hey son.
Hamba.
We had a little situation nyana this morning concerning our mule. Untwana was arrested and all our stuff, including iParcela Pra-6, were confiscated.
Damn. Do you know which station they took the package to?
Yeah, ida Rabasutu.
All right.
Manje uyaphi mfethu?
I'm going to break into that station and get the package.
Hey, you are in luck.
Hamba.
Because nathi besiplan weird.
Oh, I'm guessing there's a plan.
Ntwana, there's always a plan.
Sibangene.
All right, gents, listen up. We only have one shot at this. Masingapaiza we are losing our stash forever. The Rabasutu police station evidence locker is here. That's where they keep the contraband. Siyobangena ngo-1 o'clock. That is the best time to strike.
Why?
Lunchtime, Baba. So only a few officers will be in the building.
Iring itlala.
As soon as they leave, siyobangena ngama back door, which is usually unlocked, unless they fixed it, which they didn't.
What's ganja?
Baba, semsala yini. They didn't. And then we're gonna have to make our way to the evidence room and hack the biometrics.
And how are we gonna do that?
Nah, Yayiza Ntwana. Premium staff again.
Hayi svar.
Asivai.
When I hlanganisa 5 rad and I'll make those files disappear. Hey baba, time is money. Orin, ufuna ukubhantita. So faka hiding, uyekela ukubhayiza man. Baba kanti khambani ngara? What take you so long man?
Hayi baba mina ngisitholile stuff. Kanti usibeke fa?
Ngibeke ngada ku B2.
Akuna next ida.
Uthini?
Akuna next ida.
Baba ungazodlala, let's go see. Hayi, manje yile masimba. Who could have taken it?
Angazi mfethu, because no one is coming here all day.
Ish. Be clever.
Son. Who are you come from? What happening now? Tlakazini, at ngishangi wale mission, lezo ngibambezela. Iring itlala. Bafayile Ntwana, asibangene.
Alright, ngiyazokala.
Like taking candy from a baby.
And Ntwana, bathi staff saka rasta.
Emusi uya vandag.
And uyazi ukuthi ngibize bani?
Ubize bani baba?
Boma, tale mari, iye. Bata manati batuba. Manje khamba. Yona son.
Yo, we. Yeah. Hayi kufuneka ibhotsotso.
And Ntwana, bathi staff saka rasta.
Emusi uya vandag.
And uyazi ukuthi ngibize bani?
Ubize bani baba?
Boma, tale mari, iye. Bata manati batuba.
Tuna sleto mfethu. All units, we have a code 1632. We have a code 1632. Suspect just fled the Timisa police station with a black Busheshi and is on the R21 northbound.
Le Ntwana iyanya le. There's no way he's getting away with our stuff.
Tisto esama enimali. You wanna be promiscuous, someone not be sick serious. Gon' get in that deep dictionary. Out of 10 labantwana 85. From my FM my DC pie. I'm a G kuyisikade. Bakuya izingane.
Ehle kule Ntwana idriver kanja.
Mfethu, he's driving like he has an extra life.
Bengibamba izulu.
Until the die. I won't quit until the mind. Killing shit, this is my obituary. Pushing P, I kill him down.
I have said when I'm an chief, Della.
kahle mentolobela amajimba na. Ubhaleke njani munhu loyi? Mikhongela buya la. Kuba loko za tlhariha mfana loyi, mi ta swi kuma leswi mi swi lavaka. I mani manje loyo?
Wela.
Scott! Engazange ajabule ukukubona ntwana yami uGrand. Are you okay? Is there anything you need ntwana?
Grand. But there is something that I need from you.
Your wish is my command ntwana. Noma yini ntwana.
I need 1 million ASAP.
1 meter? Foreign manje.
A little problem nyana that I'm currently dealing with.
Oh, so you really need it, nah?
Yeah, na ish. Ngisejiving hotman.
I see. Cover ntwana yami. I was actually looking at your finances this morning and it's not looking good.
Manje ufuna ukuthini Joe?
You only have about boma 2 clipper in your name.
What about le mali le yama royalties? Nale yama sponsorships? Nale yama gigs utuzonginika yona the next time I see you?
Baba. Ehlakubona uthi sibhadala ngani le moto? Nalehlahla. Your club tabs? Jewish?
But you told me that it was company expense.
No. Angizwanga kahle. Mina ngithe the company you keep has expensive taste. It's not the same thing ntwana yami. Mele ufunde isilungu.
Yo, wait. So you're telling me I'm screwed?
Not really ntwana yami. There's another option.
Yini option yakhona?
Wena signa la and the limiter eyakho. No questions asked.
Manga signa yi and the case gets lifted, I'm going to be screwed for life. But if this loop never ends, it won't even matter. Nazo, give me my money.
It's always a pleasure doing business with you. Ntwana yami ngena la.
Wula Brazix, Ikamalamu Scott Mampara ne. I was cursed with reliving the same day over and over. And in one of those days, I came to you for consultation. Wangjeluguti Nyolandi package kurasta and a black G-Wagon, and you would help lift the curse. Nazi, can you please speed this up? It's been a long day.
Hey, good job ntwana yami. Imakhona hii ngiyazwakala. Hey, shut up wena man. Bamba son ntwana yami.
Nyama destroyer soap. Hey Baba, you gotta be kidding. All that effort for Intipo.
Hey Baba, this is not regular soap. It's my 100% curse cleansing soap with the power to keep his nyamazi million with every wash.
Eh? Serious mfethu?
Yebo Baba, all you have to do is go home, wash and get in before Gidla, go to sleep, and the next morning is inyama zonyamalala.
Now you are talking, Baba. At Nyungwasha.
Oh, not too fast, Baba. You have to also give me the AMG title deed, otherwise the soap won't work.
Oh yeah, nai.
Hey, yeah. I now is ready.
Alright, ngiyabonga hotman. Ayiliva sapi yenza kancane. Athi thalisa lama orange.
Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
If you are enjoying this movie and would like to help us make more, you can do that by purchasing our merch on our online store. Every sale will go towards producing the next movie.
So your contribution will make you part of the Spindy Gang story. Danko.
When you try Masimba, son.
Hey, Baba, manje ukhuluma ngani?
Hawu mfana wami. Wanyanya kanje. Kuyenzakalani? Ish Makrisa. I feel like my life has lost its meaning. I've tried everything to fix it. Even went to a traditional healer, but nothing seems to work.
Multi-traditional healer? Are you talking about Ziggs?
Yebo mawlady. That one.
Usekabi loyo Satan. And as long as people keep searching for short-term solutions to long-term problems, he will never run out of business.
Ish.
The problem with most people is that they were never taught the value of suffering and pain.
How? Manje ufuna ukuthini?
What I'm trying to say is, most people think of pain as the enemy. But the truth is, pain is your greatest teacher. One that doesn't let you leave the classroom until you have learned what you need to learn.
So you're saying I'm suffering because there's something I need to learn?
Yebo mfana wami. Failing to learn whatever the pain is trying to teach you will keep you repeating the same mistake, keeping you stuck in one place forever.
If you don't learn to treat others well, you will find yourself stuck in one place for a very long time.
Ah, that's it.
Yini manje?
I think I know what I need to do. Thank you so much, Makrisa. I don't know how I can ever repay you.
Just make sure you stay out of trouble wena mntwana wami.
Ah, I will. Saleni kahle. Wula out here.
Inda.
Do you have any books that can teach me how to become a better person towards my fellow humans?
Yeah, ndinazo ngwenyana, rani ndio nitodela. Kezwo,
The Powerful Laws of Life.
idonifundeza chimwe na chimwe uri nikone uchila na bathu.
Alright, ngiyabonga uthiyami.
Kakati ya una.
Law 1. Be careful who you offend. Even a small slight can spark consequences far beyond your control.
Yo! Eish, wena mbashimbashi. Bheka manje uyenze.
Asikisi mutlogolo, asika go bona, opela go nswarele.
Lenja le imusha iskipa sami, yo.
Kiyazini. Start! You are welcome.
Ish. Law 2. Be wary of those who always compliment you. Flattery is a tool, not a gift. When praise becomes a pattern, it's no longer admiration, it's manipulation. People that constantly need validation are easy to control.
Mina ngiyilast number ntwana.
Chase.
Uphunyuka bamphethe ntwana. Ipara lamapara ntwana. Paraplegic ntwana.
Ishu.
Mr. Untouchable. Chisa. Ankale bodlela la.
Nazo.
Who else will still be standing after drinking this whole bottle? Hey,
Ayikekho baba.
and don't forget that.
Emara le let's chela
Ntwana, asil stop. Ish, ay mara nami ngiyabhayza sometimes.
Law 3. Kindness isn't weakness. Anyone can insult, intimidate, or dominate, but to stay kind when you have power, that's low control. Weak men perform strength by being cruel, while strong men perform strength by being kind.
Ngiqeda ukushayisana noBhikinini, enubhebile Mthembu blind. Bekafuna nje ukugala isithombe. Akubonisa uthando nefatela.
Alright, tisibona. Ay. Why is Naxi so? Ay lo muntu akusiyimi baba. Angathi boma speakerinyana so. Maybe you should give it to him. Law 4. Don't seek short-term solutions for long-term problems. Be wary of anyone who promises change without effort. They're just trying to profit off your pain, not heal it. Long-term problems require long-term discipline, not miracles.
Ngiyakuzwa poison.
So manje, you think you can help?
It depends.
Depends on what?
It depends on whether you are willing to do whatever it takes ukuthi sikhiphele isinyama.
Noma yini baba.
Alright ntwana yami.
Hey,
I can help you.
alright, let's go.
The first thing I'm gonna need you to do is get a package there for me. Dako Rasta. And then kuzofuneki AMG G-Wagon baba. All black.
Ish. Mara at least ngidile naye.
Law 5. Don't forget to mind your business. Learn how things work and how the money is made so they don't take advantage of you.
I was actually looking at your finances this morning and it's not looking good.
Manje ufuna ukuthini Ju?
You only have about 2 keeper in your name.
What about le mali le yama royalties? Nale yama sponsorships? Nale yama gigs uthi uzonginika yona the next time I see you?
Baba. Ehlabona uthi sibhadala ngani le moto? Nalihlahla. Your club tabs. Jewish.
But you told me that it was company expense.
Oh no. Angizwanga kahle. Mina ngithe the company you keep has expensive taste. It's not the same thing.
Law 6. Stay curious and hungry to learn. The moment you think you know everything is the moment you lose your edge. Curiosity is the ultimate cheat code. It unlocks what others overlook.
Wula out here.
Inda.
Do you have anything on the laws of music business?
Yeah, ndinazo ngwenyana. Rani ndio nitodera.
Yes. Hey, Scotty Paula. Welcome back to the land of the living, Donas.
Feels good to be back. Otherwise, unjani wena uThami?
Ngimnandi mina ntwana yami. Uthi ngikhathele nje. Bari ngiyakloka ngekudala. Wena uzizwa unjani ntwana?
Grand Hotman. In fact, I feel like a brand new man.
Ntwana yami, that's what I like to hear. Uthi ngilandela ama-final blood readings nama-discharge forms. Mkhona uzoshesha uvayo, yabo.
All right, Hotman. Mara before Vaya, I just wanted to say thank you for everything.
You're welcome, ntwana yami.
Ish. Exe Hotman. Ngifasa ungipresele ispindi gang snack la phezulu.
No problem, ntwana yapho. Ufune siphi? Lesaka Mtsororo or Saka Benito?
Lesaka Mtsororo.
All right, ntwana yami.
Ngiyabonga Hotman.
No problem, ntwana yami. Yay wena man.
Uyenzani manje wena mgodoyi?
Bengisadinga zami ukuthi.
Usonya yo bokorol.
Never gets old.
Yeah, Nantwana. Looking at these projections, we should be able to excel. Yeah? Watch where you are going, Baba. Ngiyabonga ntwana yami. Eplata bengisuba ngisikhawathile yo. Kusema gang. Khambanda. I'm assuming ukuthi you here to take me to Shiny Boy, ne? Yeah. All right, asingene. Athi ngotomethela ama-email while we drive to his place.
Scott! Engaze ngajabula ukukubona ntwana yami uCran.
Mina ngimnandi mfana. Hambani ngawe?
Mina ngiCran. Just a little stressed from this little problem.
What problem? Usho the one where my attitude is messing with your mind?
It's not just my man, it's our man. Ngakhohlwa ukuthi we are a team.
Seriously? Phela mina always thought I was the slave and when you were the master.
Ntwana yami, we are equals in this partnership.
So manje, why is everything I own under your name?
Mfethu. Angithi sara sizokhawatha. Mina ngiyakubhekela.
Uyangibhekela? That's cute. Bheka yi out here. As of vandag, ibesigheid yethu iphelile baba.
Sonye wena son. Phela wena you're nothing without me wena. And like you just said, your house, your cars under my name. Uvayi. Vaungana nix.
Baba, you're going to give me everything that belongs to me or else ngiwakhipha amafile wakho.
Anankara machimba man.
You might want to check that. What the? That reaction tells me, Guti, you don't want the world finding out about your secrets, Baba.
Attention! Dubla shishesho.
If it does that, then who's going to stop that automated email from getting to the piano podcast, eh?
Danger Bekash Bamans. Nerbekash Bamans, man.
Smart choice.
So labaine.
Like I said, Baba, everything that belongs to me. Nothing more, nothing less.
Hey, all right.
I tell you what, maybe I can start it like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yeah, that could work. It's like
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how far you are.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Hey, Scott. Uvukile. Eish. Wangathestanga ukuthi ngizokulanda boy.
Hayi indaba ukuthi bekune ithinyana bekumele ngiyoringa naye no Shiny Boy, yabo.
Oh, benikhuluma ngani vele?
I was just letting him know ukuthi ngiyaphuma ku Shiny Boy Entertainment.
Baba. Uthi uphuma ku Shiny Boy Entertainment?
Yebo baba. I think I've outgrown him.
Emara nayizwa lentwana ithini. Manje zodlani. And nerent yohafa ubani?
Awungawari boy. Sizokazata.
Sizokazata. Dala ngikubona wena ukuthi uyibhahavane. Enhle kuyazini, futhek nonke.
Iyawusmele la.
Let's sinkhumbuza lesikhathi secret lesikhathi sisabiza ukuthi mistress akhala book nama-cream no stress school back sicela ama-nickness kama-copperosh for i-homework 1+1 bebasifundisa ne-maths masikhathele bebasithathisa ama-nap sishanga umkhino babaseshanga ama-gap sisasha ama-olobrain ngama-pep masimashila bomaledi bebasigeza sase-cute basafuna usikidnap top line tona thina besingazi masesikhulile sesicabanga sebeclever sithanda imali day by day sehereza manje sesifuna nabo mabebeze sesiyaphohlesha ngamafoisela questa started with
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how far you are, what you are, and 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 how far you are.
Obstacles aren't punishment. They are opportunity dressed as adversity. An invitation to go to the next level, which a lot of people miss because of their loyalty to comfort. In our pursuit of greatness, we must not only expect obstacles, but embrace them fully. Your biggest obstacle might be your biggest opportunity. The obstacle is the way, Baba.
Yes!